Hello guys, so welcome to my another video of Clash with Tamil COC. So at first I am gonna just tell that I have another channel named Clash with Tamid that has 78 subscribers, and I just made this second channel. So I hope you like this. This channel is only for tutorials, that how I make videos. So let's get started the tutorial of Dew Recorder. And here we go. So at first obviously you need to open Dew Recorder. And then at first I'll show you, these are just these are like screenshots. You can take screenshots and those screenshots will appear over here. I didn't take screenshots, and on this live you can go live stream. As you can see, so many players are kind of having live streams. So this is the thing which I like most. This is the edit videos, stitch images, video to GIF, Wi-Fi transfer, merge videos, edit video. So at first let's go to edit video. So edit video, you can just kind of edit video as you can see. I have this kind of video. And add music, you can add any kinds of music. As you can see, just add music. I don't want to add music because this is only a test. And add subtitle, you can add subtitles. Add subtitle like confirm. I'm just kind of confirming, just like I write subscribe me, and here we go. What happened? Yes. Then just click on confirm, and as you can see, here you go. You can write this anywhere as you want, and then edit subtitle, and here we go. I just don't want to edit it, so let's go back. I don't want to change it. And then intro and outro plus intro. You can just kind of do anything as you want. Then I don't want to change it. Then let's go back and let's go to merge layers. At this you can just kind of merge your layers, video to GIF. You can also do the Wi-Fi transfer. I don't know what this is. Cancel. Let's go. Then edit videos is the best thing, as I like. You can edit videos, you can crop, brush, anything as you want. And stitch video, you can stitch videos. Now let's go to the setting, our main topic. Enable the usage access to allow us to give tips on appropriate occasions. So this is also kind of thing. I don't know much about Dew Recorder. And this is video quality. You should write this auto recommended, not 12 MB, and also FPS auto recommended, or else your video will gonna lag. And record audio, this should be I think you always should enable this, or you also cannot. Invert video color, disable this. Recording mode standard Windows. So if you enable this, then this will not come. You have to control everything from your notification bar. As you can see, this will not come. Shake phone to stop recording. Then if it means that if you shake your phone, then the recording will stop immediately. Not close app when you exit the floating window. I don't know much about it. Disable pop-up notification after screenshots. I also don't know much. Countdown. So countdowns, as you can see, I have 10 seconds because I'm a new YouTuber. Sorry for that. But I think that you should keep no countdown or 5 seconds. I have given too much time, so I don't know. Then hide recording button on home page, then it will also not come. Keep recording when screen is off. So this is also it means that when your screen is off, then it will also record that. So I have disabled this recording tools. So this is the main topic, screenshots. If you enable this, then you can take screenshot from this. And camera, if you wanna do face cam video, then it will be very good. And brush tool, I like it most because the brush tool is very awesome. As you can see, I can draw anything as I want. So the brush tool is very working. Show touches. So if I show touches, then as you can see, this touch always come. I don't wanna enable this. And watermark, I have disabled this. You can also enable or disable as your wish. I don't know. And personalize watermark for recording, these are our things. And I am also recording this from D recorder. This is one of my note. So I hope so. Today's video is only for I think 2 or 3 minutes. I see you after my another video. I don't know what video it's gonna be, but I see you shortly. Peace out from that time.